being able to protect against DLP situations or compliance situations where your customers are in medical and can't be sending PHI across the open web, being able to leverage again detectors to pick up that information whenever, so it's effortless to your users. They don't need to install another app or hit a button or do anything. They're just using their email how they normally would, and that gives them the peace of mind to know if they send something that falls into the PHI category, it will be sent in a compliant way using our encryption product called Bracket. If you haven't seen Bracket, go check out Bracket itself, because whether you have one email encryption user or hundreds or thousands of them, you're going to love Bracket as an administrator. Bracket was the product we built for MSPs to stop having to deal with password resets and all the app installs and plugin installs. All the headaches that came with email encryption still come with a lot of those solutions out there today. Bracket solves. And it's one of those products that your users will love to use. So, being able to solve that problem was an interesting challenge for us, because we have Bracket, we have Shield, and now we have this orchestration layer called email traffic control. How do we bring those things all together? And that's what this workflow does here. So with this workflow, it'll detect PHI and it'll automatically route the email to be delivered with Bracket.